Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix KB5077241 not installing on Windows 11 with error codes 0x80070003, 0x80070002, or 0x800771a2d. First step, open Command Prompt as Administrator. Click on Start menu, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now run the SFC scan command and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete 100%. After that, run the DISM Restore Health command and let it complete. Once both scans are finished, restart your computer and check for updates again. If the update is still not installing, go to Windows Settings, Windows Update. Click on Pause Updates, wait a few seconds, and then click Resume Updates. Now try installing the update again. Still not working? Click on Start menu. Type Services in Windows Search and open it. Find Windows Update, double-click it. Set Startup Type to Automatic, click Apply, then Start if available. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Now go back to the settings and click Retry in Windows Update if available. One of these steps should fix the issue and allow you to install the update successfully. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.